Flowers.
But Muganga, the time has finally come.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Kazungu.
Are we going to go through this?
I am as ready as I was the first day I told you about
But
this.
Muganga, seriously, what are you going to tell these people?
Well, the truth.
The same things that I tell you people every day. What? And then you're going to lose.
Yeah.
I mean, we are your friends, we understand you. Yeah. But how can you start in front of all those people? Or gamba small talk?
You see, Muganga Musitwa is right.
Yes.
Because you see, unlike you, the other politicians have sweet words.
Yes.
They use sweet words that make you just say yes instantly. Anyway,
I am not that kind of politician. Okay? You guys listen to me and trust me because you know I am honest. You understand? And I want all the community members to see me that way, to believe me for the same reasons. Then you're going to lose.
I don't think we had all thought about it like this.
Exactly.
So I think
so now that you have it, it's your responsibility now to help me make other community members to understand me the way you understand me.
See, I think you have it. What we are going to do, the plan is today we are going to all line behind Muganga.
Yes.
One straight line and none stop after that side. Abantu they will fear us.
Muganga. Kwata obuswazi bw'obadde omumanja kweri bwe tulabasa sudde eka tukoloti sente zino zongere mu business y'engoye nawe weekulaakulanye oyo abakyamani Muganga otandikiddewo butiwe nkuba nda sente zange chapati twala eri nabwe buli omu abeera nkubanja
nze nakusonye nange nkusonye
nawe zimutaddemu ku campaign manager obanja biki naawe
What are you looking at?
Amanyo, you know you made a mistake. You should have chosen me first before you choose this loser.
Well, you should have chosen
Uliza. All these are losers. Amanyo, I am the one with the potential.
Please. You all don't deserve me. You're here gossiping like women instead of going out and handing this out and put on the shirts. Please go so I can prepare him for his speech. Please put
Muganga.
somewhere.
Baby, don't you think you're taking this whole campaign thing too
No. Guys, please. Quick. Take them. Hang them up on the poles.
Baby, don't you think you're taking this whole campaign thing a little too serious?
No, I'm not. With campaigns, everything has to be in order. Everything has to be ready.
Okay.
How do you feel?
A little nervous, but I think I'm ready.
I know you can do it. It's within you.
Yeah.
So I compiled some questions in my head, of course, that I think they might ask you. No. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What would you do if you lose? Do not think. You have no time to think. People want a leader who is sure. You have to be sure of yourself. Okay?
Okay,
Let's go again.
Okay.
What will you do if you lose?
If I lose, I will go back to my salon.
What?
And
No. Victory. Baby, you have to think victory. To you, it's victory. There's no possibility of losing.
Okay.
You're a winner.
Okay.
Why is this so hard?
No,
baby, that was a joke.
That was a question. You're crazy.
Okay, we go to the next question.